everyone, Forrest here with Honey Pots Zone 5, and it's spring, and today I wanted to talk about the bees. As most of you know, I lost my first hive to wax moths in the fall of 2018, and then I just lost my other hive just 2 weeks ago. My son went out and checked it, and it was moisture. And I mean, I was devastated. I had learned so much from those girls and what they do and how they do it and how their community lives and how they act and interact with each other. There was so much to learn. I mean, I would go and just sit a chair right out in front of the hives and just sit there with them. I did that on a daily basis, and I love being around them. I love their sound. I love their smell, their movement. It was just amazing to me. I'm not going to give up, though, on this. I think it's important to learn as much as I can and to help as much as I can to help preserve and maintain these amazing creatures. But all was not a loss. I do have honey and I have wax, and I kind of wanted to show you guys. I have a couple photos out there showing the wax and the honeycomb and stuff. But I have noticed there's not a lot out there as far as how you separate things, and being my first year, I was constantly looking for that. And it's pretty easy. You don't have to get a bunch of expensive equipment. This is a 5-gallon food grade bucket, and in it there is this sieve. This is like so sticky, and you can see some of the honeycomb in there. You can see how it's dripping out the bottom. And let me show you what my beautiful girls left me. See, I'm getting all choked up now. Look at all that honey. I mean, that is like a lot of honey. That's a couple gallons right there. This 5-gallon bucket is almost half full. But what I'll do with this will then go in this pan. And right now I'm just separating it out as much as I can. I just took this out of the oven and I heated up those honeycombs, and this is beeswax. It's still really hot right now. But this right here is beeswax. I'll need to filter it, and what that simply is, these are dollar store pans, of course they are. I'm a dollar store queen. Is I might put this in cheesecloth. I might put this in, ooh, look at that black stuff oozing out. I've actually tasted this, and it tastes like vanilla syrup. Oh, it's really good. But I'll put this in either a cheesecloth bag, or I'll put some sort of mesh across here. I'll melt this again and filter it out. This dark stuff over here was all this. So I just kind of melted this down in a barely warm oven, just enough to let the wax melt down and for it to separate out. So not everything was a loss, so I'm really happy about that. Thank you guys for your support through this. It's been a difficult couple of weeks. Health, home, work, bees. So, but I'm back. I'm walking through it all, and I'm here, and we're going to hang out this spring and have a good old time. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Any questions, comments, things that you want to know. Again, I am a novice. I am new at this. I just went through my first year with bees. So I'm starting on to the second, and I'm learning everything that I can and reading everything I can get my hands on. Okay, you guys. Love you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.